habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Now let's talk about the meeting proper. Meeting proper talks about the following key phrases of execution, engagement, control of the conversation, as well as agreements. You've planned how to open the meeting, how to proceed with your company and product presentation. How you will implement that plan will now be part of execution. What about the engagement of the attendees? Sometimes your plan to engage them using questions doesn't work. The client does not respond as expected, and you become creative on the spot. When it comes to facilitation, you need to be able to control the conversation, and regardless of who you're talking to, whether it's CEO, Vice President, General Manager, or Managing Director, whether you're talking to a fellow Filipino or foreign nationality, you should be directing the flow of the conversation, even if the client has more airtime. And of course, you need to ensure that a commitment from the client is secured. Whether you would need approval, you would need information, you would submit documents and other requirements after the meeting. Will there be a second meeting? What action should happen after that interaction? You need to end the meeting with a clear set of agreements that will be followed through. Now, this meeting is from 15 minutes to 30 minutes, 45 minutes, up to a maximum of an hour. And depending on the level of client engagement, it can also go and extend beyond an hour. Please consider the short attention span of people in this new virtual environment, given the so many distractions from their home or in their offices, especially that there can be other pressing business priorities that are competing for their attention. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.